Hi, this is Astha Tripathi from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, and today we are with Nishant at Tandhan. So, would you please like to introduce yourself and your company to our audience?
See, we are coming from the eastern part of India, and that was first capital of India by Britishers, that is Calcutta, and a very cultural capital of India, rather I should say. And our plant is in West Bengal, and it is around 70 kilometers from airport. We are one of the latest denim manufacturers right now in India. Our plant is very new, and we are totally all imported machineries are there. And our main focus is to make innovative denims. Something which we create the fashion. Rather than copying the fashion, we want to create the fashion and want to be the leader in that industry, denim industry.
And what is your speciality that is making it different from the other suppliers?
The speciality is we have got a very good innovation team who makes their own research, R&D, based on the what will be. We are working for 2026 and 27, a year ahead, so that we can forecast the trends. And secondly, we have got the machineries which are going to help us. That is, we have got the world's longest rope dyeing machine with 20+2 tanks, which gives the deepest of the shades. We can make different cast of the denim, where you can find different versions of the denim where new colors are coming from the bottom when you make the washes. And in finishing also, we had played lots of things. So we are added new things, STF, shrink to fit, crinkling looks. So that's why we are just innovating day by day. We don't restrict ourselves with the technology. We are always importing the technology, rather I will say, what new things is coming in Turkey, what new things is coming in Pakistan, what other things we can do. We are not looking to Indian market, we look overseas, and we set a trend, we set a benchmark for us, and every day we increase our benchmark. That is the way we are working.
As you mentioned, you import technology, right? So what is the recent innovation or the technology that you have adopted from any other country?
So currently I told you the rope. In the rope we have taken the widest, the longest rope, where we can make the shades. In finishing we have done some additions of the tanks and some special machineries where we can give a better finishes. In over dyeing we are trying to give some other variants. So that way we are adding the things. Technology is something which you need to upgrade yourself, or else you are out. We are in fashion. So fashion is something which day by day it changes. Whatever, like if you have one pair of jeans, you are not going to buy same pair of jeans again. You want something different in your wardrobe. You can't have same look denim in your wardrobe. You want to look different. Once you are walking with your friends, when you are walking in the society, or once you are going in the party, everybody wants to look different. Everybody wants to look special, and that is what we are cashing on. We want to be different in giving the products, styling, everything. We are in B2B segment, but our main focus is we always look on to B2C segment, what my customer is demanding, so that when I am going there, I go with the customer's mind. That this is the mindset what I take to my B2B segment. See, this your customer will demand, and that way my other partner who is in B2C, he is getting an advantage from us.